Hi everyone, today I'll be finishing off the Purvey one. I revived it. Let's start now I think, so yeah. Anyway, let's start now. The concrete weight. Oh. Your Purvey one might still flipping on this. Your Purvey one doesn't even care about. Anyway. Some objects on the guide, you know my thumb? That's it, Andy. Go to your room right now. Don't think about doing it again. You also be getting told by your teacher for it. You're gonna stay in the break time. Right, there's the front panel, it's gone. Oh, it also slidded. Cool. What else? Let's see. Go, go. Ah! Right then, here we go. And then two. Whoa! Gee whiz. The Purvey one's lost concrete weight. It's lost its concrete weight. Ooh. The tub! It's going crazy! The washing machine's splitting apart! It's just completely destroyed. By the end of the video, it looks like it'll be a piece of scrap metal. Nothing be left. Everything will be gone in this machine. Ooh. Whoa. Whoa. See all this
washing machine is getting completely destroyed.
Yeah. There's like bits of tub everywhere.
It is the best machine destruction I've ever read.
That's a bit off that. Ooh. D. 3, 2, 1. Ready? 3, 2, 1. D. 3, 2, 1. Welcome.
You assume there's the front panel.
Took out the. Took out the front panel. Try and hit the other spots. Give a wee drum. Three, 2. Ow. Golf theatre for a golf ball inside the office. Okay. Just 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay.
Whopping destruction that was.
Whopping destruction.
Yeah, get to that.
No.
Alright, careful it now for that, yeah? It's going to do well.
Okay.
If you keep the phone for a bit, let me...
Doesn't like it anymore, I think. Yeah. That's part of the door lock gone. Wow, everything's going to shoot out the concrete rates over there. Is it a door? Whoa.
Good machine.
Okay. Right, so, the door lock might have been something. 9-8 for everyone. The Pokemon door just locked itself. Might have to get scissors and cut some of the copper aluminum or something. Yeah. Kind of makes more. No, it doesn't make any sense that the pervy one it's not. Yeah, it's not fully like dead yet. So pervy one is still working after several attempts. Crikey balls! That's like that machine and more. It's probably the best washing machine destruction video I've ever done. Like. B. Whoa! Whoa! That went absolutely mad.
That went absolutely mad. There's a bit of it as well, so. Whew. Furry ones. Alright, here we go.
Right. I'm not joking, but however, getting there. Ow, my tinkle. Hurts. Yeah, it hurts. Okay. Might be able to the washing machine. Gonna have to clear this up. I think we'll have to sweep up all the washing machine. After that, still going, which is a good thing. I think they were actually really strong. Yeah, if you compare that Pro-V one to a Samsung Eco Bubble, they're the same strongness. The Pro-V. Anyway, let's try. Still try and do it, even though it's probably on. Ooh.
Oh, you want to be honest?
Ready for everyone? Yeah. Yeah. It's a washing machine destruction video. Pieces of the Pro-V one is getting split as well. There you go. Shit. I broke. Oh. Anyway, my driver's here works. That.
I don't want it happening.
Mark, play it back.
Right then, the washing machine is still going, the turbo's completely cracked.
At the front, but the back is still remaining intact. Yeah, don't want to get bored. That doesn't look like. Yeah, there's marbles. Balls of. But we use one of them concrete wet sabs. Like there's about 2 of them. That's 5. And one of them just snapped. Ah! Oh.
Oh yeah.
That does not sound. Mine's neither.
Alright then.
Right, I've been going there for a long time. The washing machine managed to stay in one piece. It's like champ. It's like a champ. That one handles like a champ. It does.
Let's check.
There we go. Three, two, one.
Oh, nice.
Oh. Ah, washing machine destruction. Me like me when I was doing washing machine destruction. I was like a film, you know. I was about to bring the washing machine into the garage because now it's probably soaking wet and from all the destruction it might have thrown itself.
Might throw some water into the machine. So.
Two, one.
Oh. Washing machine. It's my driver. I want to smash the thing. Lots in there. Bro, I get to work off in this. Yee, sort of nothing.
directly. I was doing washing machine destruction. Guess what I was doing? Well, there's all.
Alright then.
That's very loud. Right, here we go. Wow. That's all my bashing from the golf.
Yeah.
Well, that gave me. That sign did not go as planned. Probably one way of completely. Not sure if there's a spark or something. Not sure if there was a spark coming out. Might be.
Still works. Yeah.
Whoa. Washing machine destruction lasted me now. 7 hours. This wash machine just took me 7 hours to finish. Let me check. 3, 2. Done it the 3rd time now. But, however, I think I may as well have a look at me.
How much damage we done to the washing machine?
There you go. Just so you know, I'm not doing it again and again. Ooh, ooh, 3, 2, 1. Oh,
Uh,
it's going to attack the section as well.
so it's smashing.
Sam! Oh.
Okay, it's like it's done, Glenn. I'm trying to like bash up the curvy one. Ooh. Mm. Eee. Mm.
Oh, you know what? These types of washing machines be like.
Mm. Wait. Right, we go.
Ha ha ha! Yes, I want to do my one. Probably that might be big video. Don't. Should have done a live instead, but hey ho. Should have done a live stream on a washing machine destruction like this. Ooh. Yeah. That golf ball just got me. That gone. Right then. Whew. There you go. Ready? Blue eye. Crikey, ball. Ooh. Breakfast Club broken. No? Whoa, that sent something sky high. Ready? Everyone has smashed hot wired tree. Wait, run.
Ready?
Oh, I might have to pause the video.
Okay.
Might have to leave it there for now because it might be a very strong washing machine and I'm not sure if I'm gonna like redo the machine as well, so may as well have to might have to do for now. I'll finish it, OJ.
Ultimate one with a top. Right then. See the last one now.
Last one now. We're going to throw all the bricks. We'll finish this washing machine off. Washing took me ages. Hello? Chloe? Right then. Didn't do this. Good. Very strong fighter, this. It's like a monster, this washing machine. Last one now, I think.
Yeah.
Ooh. Alright, I'm not going to land. It brake. It brake checked me, the drive. Alright, I think I might be the end of the Pro V1 live stream. Well, soon find out if we do one more attempt. Right, we'll do one more attempt. I think it's probably just not wanting to self-destruct. I've destroyed lots of the bits of it though, which is good. Probably just not want any more bits of it. Right, that's it. Yeah, it definitely might be it. There's nothing else is coming off it. Well, that might be it. Sorry. Just something. Right, I might have recorded 44 minutes of this. Here's how we got so far. This is the aftermath. I might be able to upload it. 44 minutes, I think it is. So, yeah. The Pro V1's so completely broke. As you can see, this is how it's done so far. If I want to do the might finish it off. Who knows? If I get it working again, it's complete. I know that the motor is working, but if the cable is working still, I'll bring the washing machine in from the garage. It might dry out a bit. Anyway, God, look all the bits of the washing machine everywhere. This washing machine suffered a significant damage. Yeah. Yeah. There you go, the washing machine out there in the garage. Let me check. Yeah, it's completely bashed up. Front panel's gone. Or probably some of the tub is missing. As I was recording for 45 minutes now. Worth of. I was like, this is not much left of this washing machine because this side is coming off now. So may as well get it back to life and destroy and do one more attempt of it. And see you later. Bye. Oh.